Sheila Mara and I'm ready for a peachy look. Yay! So before I start makeup, I'm using Power 10 Formula BC Factor Vitamin C Serum because it keeps my skin moisture, hydrates and light. Massage it on your face and dab it gently. For the face, I'm using the Body Shop foundation shade Vanilla. The Body Shop is amazing brand and very authentic and safety for regular skin makeup. Dab it well gently in your cheeks, inner cheeks and plump chin, forehead, and blend it gently. Yeah. And for the eyes, I'm using Makeup Revolution Shook Palette, the shade Fabulous. It's kind of pretty peachy color and make it sharp. Blend it well in a circular motion and dab it. Yeah. And the second coat, I'm using NYX Silk and Cheek Mochi Palette. It comes with a 10 shade and I'm using a shimmery peachy shade, which is so shimmery and so peachy and so glowy. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. And then I'm using eyeliner to pop my eyes. I love a wings liner. And I'm using a fake lashes. Here I'm using eyelashes glue. Let it dry for a minute and then voila, your thicker and longer eyes ready. And I'm using Maybelline New York mascara. It's make my lash thicker and longer. Yeah. I'm using brow pencil to draw my brow. Yeah. For the lips, I'm using L'Oreal Paris in Pavy Level, the shade Ravish Red. It's so cute, like a cherry finish. Yeah. And apply it perfectly. Yeah. And for the cheeks, I'm using Maybelline New York Cheeky Blush. Apply it. Smile. Yeah. I'm using Makeup Revolution Skin Kiss Highlighter because it's so amazing and make your skin glow. It's really worked for me and give me an amazing finish after I apply. Yeah. And for the lips, I'm using Cupcake Lip Gloss Balm, which is so tinted and so amazing and give you a beautiful tinted cherry finish and give your lips moisture and hydrate. Yeah, so cute. And then done, voila!